Well, this is the aftermath of the blizzard last night. Finally got it plowed the best I could. The deer are almost gone again, but we got a ton of snow. This is a bush. This is completely covered. These are bushes too. Completely covered. You can't even see our other decorations. The height here is crazy. I have no idea. Like, let's see, this is again right in our driveway. Let's see what we're at right here. Whew. Not so cold. Oh yeah. Like I said, I got it down pretty. You can see I'm stopping on it. I mean, we're looking at 57, 55, 57 inches right here. That's just in the driveway. Like I said, it's a lot thicker, deeper out towards the road. I can't even see over to see the lake. Like, the mountains are so tall, I can't even see the lake over here. The road was already kind of tiny, but now it's a one-lane street. People are out and about trying to get their snow cleared. Trees are beautiful though. Very bright out. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the mailbox out, which I'm not sure I'll be able to do. You can't even see the roof rake that got broken on the roof. It's taken up, and what I've cleared off the roof before it broke is now all covered up. Jesus. But pretty good blizzard. I would say it's a pretty good snow season. I'm happy to see this much snow. So, not too bad. Love that the postman's coming. Hopefully we can actually get some mail. I'll be standing right here for him if he'll hand it to me. Let's see. Thanks, buddy. All right. It's a good thing I was outside. I was able to get the mail. Was not able to get it, as you can tell. I don't know how I get the mailbox out here. It's not going to happen. I think the mailbox it's like back here somewhere, and I'm not even sure. I mean, this is too thick for the blower, I believe. So, yeah. Awesome snowstorm. I can only imagine how, if it's like 60 inches right there, oh man, I wonder how deep it is out there. I'm sure it's insane. Whew. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Awesome snow day. I'll talk to you guys later.